In the magical land of Lumora, nestled between glistening rivers and lush green forests, an extraordinary balance existed between two powerful forces, the radiant and the shadows. This land was a place where light and shadow danced in harmony, guided by the gentle hands of Queen Aria, whose heart shone like the brightest star. But deep in the heart of the dark forests, where the sun dared not shine, the cunning Dark Lord Umbrax plotted his schemes. He dwelled in a fortress wrapped in darkness, dreaming of a Lumora cloaked in eternal shadow. In a quaint village on the edge of the light and dark, there lived a curious and kind-hearted boy named Theo. With a twinkle in his eye and dreams of adventure in his heart, Theo helped his villagers, dreaming of something greater beyond his fields. One day, the skies began to dim unnaturally, and the lush crops that fed the village withered before their eyes. Whispers of fear danced among the villagers, for they knew the balance of Lumora was threatened. Then came a day like no other. A royal messenger from the queen arrived at the village, calling for bravest souls willing to embark on a quest. Without hesitating, eager Theo stepped forward, fueled by the promise of adventure and the hope to restore his beloved home. Given a magical map and an enchanted lantern by the queen herself, Theo felt a spark of excitement ignite within him. Along his path, he met Ember, a mischievous but loyal fox, who nibbled at his shoelaces, declaring himself Theo's new travel companion. Their journey began at the edge of a river guarded by eerie creatures of shadow. But with the glow from Theo's lantern, they revealed themselves as mere illusions born from fear, casting away the darkness with the light of truth. Together they ventured on, saving an intelligent owl named Luna trapped within an enchanted net. Grateful for their help, Luna promised her wisdom in return and so joined their fold. In the whispering woods, the trees murmured with voices of doubt and deceit. But Theo clasped his hands and recalled his grandmother's gentle words, "Believe in yourself, and no shadow can dim your light." Empowered by this memory, he led his companions to safety. Their journey brought them to a hidden village under siege by Umbrax's minions. Inspired by Theo's courage, the villagers rallied and defended their homes, showing the power of hope and unity. At last, the trio reached the cursed mountain, the feared stronghold of the Dark Lord. Within its shadowy walls lay mazes and traps, each testing their determination. Theo faced his darkest fear in a sinister mirror showing him falling and failing. Holding the lantern high and remembering his mission, Theo shattered the illusion, embracing the light within him. Soon, they arrived at the throne room, standing face to face with the Umbrax, his shadowy army looming ominously. Umbrax sneered, "Darkness is stronger than you can ever imagine, Theo." Yet Theo, Ember, and Luna, their hearts intertwined in courage, stood undeterred. Theo realized the true power of the lantern was belief in the power of hope, goodness, and friendship. In a moment of truth, Theo unleashed a brilliant light, not from the lantern but from within himself. The shadows trembled, weakened by Lumora's true might. Just as darkness seemed to retreat, the sounds of villagers and radiant warriors echoed, storming in to stand beside their hero. In a twist of fate, Umbrax revealed a secret. He was once a guardian of the light, embittered by lost dreams. With compassion, Theo chose forgiveness, offering Umbrax a chance to restore the balance together. Umbrax accepted, and in a moment of unity, the balance between light and shadow in Lumora was restored. When Theo returned to his village, the people embraced him as a hero, his heart now wiser and braver than ever before. And so, the land of Lumora shone brightly, a shimmering tapestry of light and shadow, a steadfast reminder that light is always strongest when shared.